Let's now do an example that involves tan instead of sine and cos. Let's do an example of tan. So the equation given to us is 3 tan cube x minus tan x equals to 0, where x lies between 0 and 2 pi. So what values of x will solve this equation? So let us just take it. Tan cube x minus tan x equals to 0. So I can take tan common, right? So I have tan x into 3 tan square x minus 1 equals to 0. So I have factors out here. So I get that either tan x equals to 0 or 3 tan square x minus 1 equals to 0, right? Now tan x is 0 when x is 0 by 2 pi, right? So this will imply that x equals to 0 by 2 pi. Or now let me give you the values of tan also. So the major angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, and tan is sine by cos. So tan theta is 0 here. It is 1 upon root 3 here. It is 1 at 45. It is root 3 here, and it is undefined for 90. Okay. So using these values, I get that now thrice of tan square x equals to, let me just take it separately, this case. Thrice of tan square, this is an OR statement happening. So thrice of tan square x equals to 1. So tan square x equals to 1 upon 3. So tan x will equal to plus minus 1 upon root 3, taking root both sides. Okay. So it will equal to plus minus. So basically that means tan x can equal to 1 upon root 3 also, and tan x can equal to 1 minus of 1 upon root 3. When is tan x 1 upon root 3? Tan x, as we saw, is 1 upon root 3 when the angle is 30. So this will imply that the x is 30, and what else will it be? It will be pi plus pi by 6. Okay, this is pi by 6. So it will be pi plus pi by 6. Pi is the period of tan. It repeats itself, and it will be 7 pi by 6. Okay, and for negative, it will be negative when x is, it will be negative when x is pi minus pi by 6, and so this will be 5 pi by 6, and it will be 2 pi minus pi by 6. So this will be 11 by 6 pi, or 11 pi by 6. So the set of solution that we will have essentially is that x equals to 0, pi, 2 pi will solve this equation, and apart from that, what will solve the equation? Pi by 6, 7 pi by 6, because these are the quadrants where your tan is positive and tan is negative. So you get 5 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. So this is the solution set that we will have for this equation. So this is how you solve trigonometric equation, just like your normal equations, but here what we have instead of x, we have a function of x, which is in terms of some trigonometric function.